Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Harmful algal blooms look tricky, but this question is really about classifying an ecological factor fast and matching it to the exact otter effect. Start with the cause. The passage says harmful algal blooms happen because of nutrient pollution, so the blooms come from an outside environmental condition, not from how many otters are present. In ecology, when a factor affects a population regardless of its size, that factor is density independent, so this cannot be tied only to larger or smaller otter populations. Then the passage connects the harm directly. Shellfish ingest the algae, otters eat the shellfish, and otter mortality rises, so the effect is negative overall. Well done! Option C. Scan now, don't rush on clue words, trust the passage, and check each step before choosing density independent.